One of my clients landed a $50,000 grant in just 30 days. No prior grant experience, no perfect writing background. So how did she do this? It wasn't luck. It was strategy. And today I'm breaking down exactly what she did differently so you can replicate it. Welcome back to the Grant Writing and Funding YouTube channel, where we talk about how to build real sustainable income through grant writing. And today we're talking about something that gets a lot of attention. How do I write a grant fast? But here's the truth. Speed doesn't come from rushing. It comes from alignment. We are seeing people rush into AI grant writing, and this only helps you find aligned funders if you have a clear program. I had a student land a $50,000 grant in just 30 days. No prior grant experience, no perfect writing background. So how did she do it? It wasn't luck, it was strategy. And today, I'm breaking down exactly what she did differently so you can replicate it. And this starts before the grants formula. Step 1, find the right type of grant. This is where most people go wrong. They jump straight into the big federal grants with $1 million, $500,000. That's attractive. Those grants can be wonderful, but the organizations you work with normally need to have a history of grants and managing grants to build their portfolio first. Those types of grants, they take months to prepare, extensive documentation, and usually a team. If you want faster wins, start with foundation grants, local or regional funders, grants with simpler applications, micro grants. These are often faster turnaround, less competitive, more relationship driven. So good. So now let's jump into step 2. Choose the right amount of funding to ask for. This is huge. My student didn't go after a multi-million-dollar grant. She targeted $10,000 to $50,000 ranges. Why? Because it's big enough to matter, but it's also small enough to be attainable quickly. If you go too big, too soon, you slow yourself down, you overcomplicate the process. Step 3, she aligned before she applied. This is where the magic happens. Instead of asking, can I make this grant fit into my idea? You instead ask, does my project already align with this funder and what they want to fund? How you do this is you look at their mission, you see who else they funded, you see what types of projects they support. If it's not a clear match, move on. There's more funding out there. Step 4, then she used the grants formula. Once you have alignment, now you apply the formulaic system. It is an acronym. G, get the FOA or the grant guidelines. R, research the need. A, articulate your goal. N, narrow your objectives. T, timeline your activities. And S, create a strategic budget. You can check out this video here for the full grants formula. This is what turns a great opportunity into actually winning an application. Here's the big shift. Getting grants faster isn't about doing more and just using AI for a lot of output. It's about doing less but better. Better alignment, better targeting, and better strategy. And I've seen this over and over again. Students who stop chasing every single grant and they start focusing on aligned opportunities and they take the time to really look at those missions, look at those websites, look at other people that these organizations have funded, they land their grants faster. They also land their clients faster. They build confidence quickly and they start generating consistent income. So if you've been thinking, okay, I've been doing this backwards, Holly, I need a better system. That's exactly what we walk you through inside the Freelance Grant Writer Academy. We don't just teach you how to write grants, although we do teach you that. We also teach you how to find the right grant opportunities, how to position yourself, and how to turn this into a real income stream. And if you're already landing grants, but you want to scale your business, that's where the mentorship comes in, helping you increase your rates, build systems, and grow without burnout. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and share it with someone who's been stuck chasing the wrong grants. And remember, it's not about applying to more grants at every single opportunity. It is about applying to the right ones. I'll see you in the next video.